The next day, the thermostat housing. Y'all better get that prime, man. We gonna ride the skateboard down that bitch. I ain't gonna lie. It's cold, but like in the sun, it's not that bad. But I'm glad y'all see the Jag over there? All right, so I remove that in a little bit of the intake. Then I remove the reservoir just for more wiggle room. I might move the fan. I don't think I need to, but the hose for right here and off of this. All right, air filter off. Just put it to the side. You ain't really gotta take that off. And bolt here, bolt under, bolt right here. It's an 8 mil for the throttle body. It's a hose right here. Hose right here. This hose look ripped as fuck. So I'm gonna definitely have to replace this on. And yeah, this car is built crazy, fam. We go to the street to O'Reilly's and grab this. I was finna fuck around and script this shit, trying to get it out. We made it back. Let's try to get this shit done before the sun drop all the way. I don't got time for that cold. It'd be cold as fuck at night. Man, one thing I could definitely say about working on this car, you gotta be very, very fragile. I mean, what the fuck am I talking about? You gotta be very careful when working on this car, because as you can tell, it's supposed to be some hoses right here that go all the way right here. They go all the way down here. And let me show y'all one. This vacuum, right? Look how easy this shit snap. It's way easier when it's on the longer part, but this shit snap right off, bro. That easy. I gotta replace this shit anyway, because as y'all can see, the whole fucking vacuum line snap. And that's what that loud ass hissing noise is when I'm working on this car. I mean, when I idle the car, y'all get the fuck I'm saying. Okay, got the front end of the what you call this shit again? Thermostat housing off, and it's coolant in there. All right, so it's a lot of motherfucking screws and hoses you gotta take off to do this job. So make sure y'all like remembering labeling, put y'all screws in a bag and label the bag, or just put them in a certain spot. Like this little clamp right here, they go to this hose right here, or you just leave the clamps like on the hoses, like I did there, left it on here. You feel me? I recommend everybody get one of these, cause sometimes you gonna do dumbass shit like this. Yeah, if you ain't had this magnet, it was no way to get that shit. I ain't gonna fake it. But yeah, it seemed like a lot of parts, or a lot of screws on this car is 8 mil. That shit look good. I might take these screws off just enough to where they hanging, or I might put them right there where that little stem at. Took these screws out, set them right there. Now this should come off, yep, just like that. I really gotta take this black piece off, just set it up here, like that. Set it up there like so. Oh my God. Y'all never seen the inside of a intake manifold. This is what it look like. And as you can see, the 4 Allens or hex, whatever you want to call them, now they're exposed. Let me Put that on. Lefty loosey. Oh shit. Oh, that broke off kind of easy. Oh, that's tough because the intake is kind of like, you know. Man, that sunset look crazy. Yeah, I got the thermostat. I tried my phone a little bit. It's on like 27, but that's enough. I'm gonna just have to limit how much I record. Yeah, well, okay. Well, didn't know the new thermostat housing. Man, this flashlight terrible. The new thermostat housing already got a thermostat in there. So technically, we didn't even need that separate. My phone on 7% and that shit moving slow. What the fuck? Why is that my battery too low to use the flashlight? Alright, y'all. We back at the Jag. Look at that motherfucker. We use the cinematic mode on the skateboard. Yeah, I see it now. This cinematic tough. But I had to let my phone charge because the shit kept dying. So I let it get to like a good 50 something. So yeah, basically almost done. Well, I might add the halo headlights. RGB in there, like a little red. But yeah. Okay. Ooh, that grill hit. Okay, so no screws in here. No screws right there, no clamps. No screws up here. Oh, that's the screw that it. That bitch would not go in there. There's 2 screws right here. Kind of forgot what they go to. Oh, under the fucking thing under there. So it's all the way back together. So we're gonna pour coolant in it. Start it up, see what happens. I know. Just aim. Oh, this one hand too. Oh shit. Oh shit. Now we can connect the battery and start this bitch. That shit finna die. But it's good though, cause we just finished right on time, my boy. It's gonna start her up. Boy, I hope this shit good, folks. Okay. That check engine light gonna come back on, cause it's fucking vacuum leak. Yep, that shit gone quick. Okay, so put some more water in it. Oh, it was only like a little bit of water that needed to be added. Cause it's at the top now. I'm not gonna open it cause that shit will start boiling or bubbling. But the light died. So we probably gonna take that back to the neighbor and his son baseball bat. Probably gonna put the undercarriage on or the undershield, whatever you want to call that shit, and then test drive this shit. I'm probably go to Quick Trip, put some air in it. I'll say coolant level low. No engine light. I'm gonna let it idle for a little minute. Sound good though. To be stopped. I need to buy a head mount for real, bro. Get them good POVs, man. Cause I'm finna start modding this car. The exhaust work, ambient lighting. It's mostly gonna be like aesthetics, cause there's not a lot you can do with the Jags. Well, with the naturally aspirated Jags. The ones that's already supercharged, of course, you could do the same shit you can do with a GC500, a fucking Hellcat, do pulleys, upper pulley, lower pulley, you already at fucking 800. Tune, full exhaust, air intake. Y'all need air in this tire bad. This motherfucker hopping like a bitch. I need to just replace the nail for real. But I'm lazy. Police got somebody pulled over right there. Let's not be the next victim, please. I need to buy a GoPro and some more shit. Get them good ass POVs in for y'all boys. It's a police truck? What the fuck? They got police pickup trucks now? I thought that shit was only in Austin. Almost 40. But yeah, this bitch good now. Let me get a little in the lighting. Get a little video in the lighting and shit. Wait till them BC4s go on that bitch. And I gotta wrap my roof. But yeah, that's gonna be it. Radiator. That was the radiator and don't mind my fucking damn. That was the radiator and thermostat housing. All in one video for y'all boys. So y'all niggas better be grateful. Shout out to my 100 subscribers. Love y'all boys. I can't wait till that shit turns to 100K. But yeah, y'all boys like, comment, subscribe, do all that good shit, man. And we out. Fuck this car.
This bad bitch on my dick like what you seeing me. The niggas hate to see you eating. On the P&B. Bro trippin'. Told him on the bad bitch inside the B&B. Fuck. I run it back.